WordPress post metadata description. This is what we are going to learn next. Stay tuned. After having this individual declaration of the timestamp, in the next case, we may define exactly when the post was made. So that is why all we can do in the next case, we may declare another variable right over here, which will be known as time of post, time the post made. As we have used the same name here, time of posting, so we cannot reuse the exact same name in declaring the variable. So that is why it will be wise to use some separate custom name right over here. So we are using this name of time the post made. This is the variable name, and in the next case we might use something else like human time difference. Now this is another WordPress function that we are going to use. It accepts two parameters right over here. The first parameter is from the exact date when the post was made, and the second parameter is the current timestamp. So in the first case, all we can do, we may make usage of this WordPress function, which will be known as get the time capital U. So all it is doing, it is just retrieving the exact date when the post was created, and in the next case we will be using another WordPress function here, which is known as current time, and as a parameter we will be using here, first of all replace them all, and we will be using here timestamp. So all it is going to do, it is going to fetch the current timestamp of the post, and it is going to return it back into this particular WordPress function of human time difference. So we are practically differentiating between the two exact times right over here. The first one is when the post was made, and the second one is the current time of the post in your WordPress site. Now if we just put the semicolon right over here, and if we, for say we are creating another separate variable, we are naming it as declare time, and we are using both the variables of date of post with the variable which is known as time the post made. So we are storing both the values into this individual variable which is known as declared time, and we are returning this individual variable to our post. Press Ctrl S, head back to your project and reload. And you can see that here comes the result, but you won't be understanding it as we haven't differentiated it from the previous post. So let's head back to the text editor, and we are making some discrimination right over here, something like this one. Now if we press Ctrl S, head back to our project and reload, we can see that the exact same phrase is now being written right over here. The timestamp of this individual post, and when this post was made, the exact age of this individual post. This is the perfect phrase that I can use right over here to describe the age of the post. So this is what we have done right over here. Now in the next case, we may leave it up to this part, or we may add something extra special like the author of this particular post and definitely the category of this individual post. This is the part that we will be doing up in the coming up video.